Essential features at a glance. Lets customers create, manage, and share multiple wish lists. Adds products to wishlist without leaving the page. Offers social sharing for easy wishlist sharing. Boosts engagement and encourages repeat purchases. Fully compatible with multi-store, mobile, and all Opencart versions. This is module Understanding Video of Wishlist, or Save for Later module, so you have to first install the module, and the Opencart to install the module, and Opencart Store. You should have a FTP server, then you will have right side on the right side. You should have the store directory on the left side. You will have the local directory, and there you have to reach on the upload folder inside the module. There you will find 3 files, System Catalog and Admin. The same folder should be on your right side as well. Just catalog System and Admin, so that when you will drag and drop the files here, the file will be overwritten and it will install the module. You just need to select all the file and upload it on your right side on your store site. Once the installation is completed, when the installation is done, you have to move on to the Installer tab, go on the extension, click on Installer here. You have to upload the Osmote file and upload it there. Then you have to push to the Modification tab here. You have to refresh and clear the cache. Once more refresh, then only the module will be active on the front end. Go on the Extension tab, then you have to install the module from here, then you have to click on Edit. It will redirect you to the General Setting page of the module. Here you will find the General Setting page where the module will be by default disabled state. The first tab is to a status where you have to enable the module. The second you have pop-up title background, you can change the background color of pop-up title. You can change the text color. You can change the bottom text color. Likewise, you can change the color of every tab and the fields that are present related to the module. Once you have made the changes, you have to click on Save so that the modification done at the end will be saved and will be reflected on your front end. Next is product in the save list here. You can enter the counter product that is going to be listed maximum in the list. Then layout to display the save all data. You want to display the save all data layout in all the pages. Or you can select on the selected pages. When you will select the selected pages below, that you will have a field to choose the pages where you wanted to display this module. Then save the settings. The next time we are having this product analysis report here, all the products that is going to be listed in the recommendation or a wish list product here, you will find the listing of the customer who has logged into their account. And having the wish listing the product, you will have the details of those customers. The products that have been listed in the wish list has been ordered. Then it will be listed in the order analysis report. Now moving to the first front end and check how the module is working here on the front end. You can see this is the tab of Wish list. It will show in the corner. You have to just add the product from the icon of Save for Later, and it will be Start Listing here. As you can see, it will also give you an option to log in so that these products will get saved in your account. So you have to click on the login. It will redirect you to the registration page that you can log in if you are an existing customer, or else you have to create a new if you will not complete the login from the Login tab from the wishlist box. Then after making the complete registration, you will have a success message on your screen, like Save for Later, congratulations. Your account has been added to Rated. Now go to the Save for Later, you will find the module. You are having a button to remove the products from listing. You will have click on it. It will redirect to the respective product pages. There, you can add to cart those products and complete the order. Also, you can click on View button. You will reach to the respective separate page of Save for Later, where all the product will be listed here. You will having an Add to Cart product. So if you will click on it, it will redirect you directly to the cart page. After adding this product to the cart, you can also click on the product name so that you can redirect to the respective product pages on the product page. You are having an option. You want to save this product, click here. So if you will click here, it will again list it to the Save for Later wish list. Also, if you are placing an order for the products that has been saved in the wish list, they will be visible in the Order Analysis tab. So let's just place an order of a product, click on Checkout here. You have to complete the details of registration, creating an address, and registration. Then you have to complete the order. Once the order is completed, it will be visible in the Order Analysis tab on the Product Analysis report. You have to filter the products or the buy. The category. Whatever you have selected in the wish list here is a filter of category date and the select product, or the category select category. If you have chosen here this category, then it will show you a tab to select the category of which your products has been added. Then you are having a date filter. You just need to filter the dates of when you have added those products. The client has added your products. You can filter the same will be displayed in your graph as well. And the listing will be done below the same. The same will be in the customer analysis tab. Here, you have to select the category. You have to choose the category. Then here, select product. You have to create the filter of date. As you can see here, one customer has added the product of the electronic category. So when you have selected the category, select all products. We have set the date. And when you have clicked on submit, you will have a results of your search. So as you can see, this customer with the name of test has an email list, number of products that he has wishlisted. Then you are having the order analysis tab here. You have to select the category, select all category. You have to search the date. How many products has been placed? Order placed from this date to this, and click on submit. It will show you a graph. And the products that has been placed, order within the 2 days, is being listed here. So this is how the advanced wish list product work on the Opencart store. Thank you.